short curly bobs on the market today. I nearly forgot about this one. I'm so glad I decided to reorder. This is Ellen Villa's Dance in the color Light Champagne Rooted. Let's get into the details of this one again several years later. I purchased this wig style at Wig Studio One. You can find it there too. All you have to do is drop below this video, expand the description box, locate the links that states Ellen Villa's Dance. If you click on that link, it will take you out to the site. You can see all of the colors and the pricing. Don't forget wigs at Wig Studio One. Ellen Villa is an automatic 30% off at checkout. We invite you to shop at Wig Studio One. If you have any questions, please reach out to support@wigstudio1.com. And don't forget to visit us on our private Facebook group called the Wig Studio One Wig and Topper Support Group. Dance is a short little choppy beach wave bob. It's light texture, it's light density, perfect for the upcoming warm summer months and all year round. It has some elegant cap features. So we have a nice lace front and left monofilament side part on this style. Let's take a look at that while we're up here, and then we're going to talk about the color real quick. The first one I had was in the Candy Blonde Rooted. I rather like this Light Champagne Rooted a little better just for my preference. But we've got that temple to temple extended lace front, very finely knotted. They intersperse with the highlight right up to that lace front, makes it a little bit softer. They knot every other hole or so there. And then we have that monofilament part that runs back to the crown. So it's really a very lovable style right there in my wheelhouse with the shorter, curlier look. So even though it's considered to be a really light density, you can get some volume on the sides. That's just due to the layering mostly, because the layering is structured in a way that gives it that sort of a rounded shape all the way around. So you've got a little bit of a ledge effect in the back. It's really lightweight. I think it weighs around 3 ounces or maybe just a little bit less than 3 ounces. So in the front, you're going to see about a 7-inch piece right off of the front. Now you would have to fully stretch that out to realize that length. I'm about 6.5 from hairline to chin, and it doesn't even reach my chin. So to me, that's my perfect length. But if your face shape is a little bit longer, remember this is going to be a little bit shorter on you, or it'll appear a little shorter on you. Overall, we're looking at about 9 inches, 9 to 10, where that crown overlaps the nape and gives some beautiful textured look there in the back. A little bit of volume and graduated layering there. Now this curl is a classic shattered beach wave look. So it has been shattered and deconstructed, and it has been heavily texturized on the ends. So that is just a classic look for me. I love it. It's light, it's airy. Again, a very light density. I guess I can't say that enough. It's just such a light density. And to go along with that picture is a soft, baby fine, silky type fiber. Each one of these fibers, super fine, separates. In terms of permatease, it's very low on permatease as well. So you're going to see a little bit of permatease around the monofilament there. Just enough to cover wefting. Honestly, this is absent of any of that soft, pillowy type of permatease. I love this Light Champagne Rooted compared to the regular Champagne Rooted by Ellen Villa. You see a lot of variation in their colors, and this particular application I dearly love. This is a combination of some beige blonde, some honey blonde, and some platinum. It's very cool. With some beigey sandy notes to it. So I would say overall this is an ashy toned, cool toned, light dynamic blonde, and that is on a dark root. The regular Champagne Rooted by Ellen Villa is a little warmer in my opinion. It's the warmer, it's darker, it's a little muddier. I like the brightness of the Light Champagne Rooted. So let's go ahead. Inside look at the cap for Ellen Villa's Dance. There's that beautifully extended lace front halfway back through the ear tab, nicely contoured, and then seamlessly into a long extended left monofilament side part, open wefted top, sides, and back, closed velvet ear tabs, and then an extended felted nape with Velcro style adjusters. I had to make a sizable adjustment for this to fit my petite average circumference. I feel like this one is perfectly average right out of the box. I have fallen in love all over again with some of these short little beach wave styles. This reminds me a lot of the Gabor Sweet Talk, which I adore. This one also reminds me of the sister style Ellen Villa's Turn, which I also adore. So there's just no shortage of styles like this to choose from. You can wear this kind of pulled back, a little bit of contour there, or you can wear it down over the forehead. It's very easy and very versatile. Let's try with glasses. I've got my favorite aviators here. Perfect for the summer. Oh, yes, that just works, doesn't it? And it fits beautifully between the ear and the ear tab on this style. So I'm just gonna move this hair around, kind of give you a better look at it, style it, and get you ready for summer. Everybody have a great day. We'll see you soon, right here at TAZSWIG Closet.